How to add logo on Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can add logo on your Wix website. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Wix and make sure that you're logged in. Then you have to select your site where you want to add the logo on. So once you are here on the editing page that is under editor.wix.com with your site, now in order to add logo, navigate to top right corner. There is a search option. Click on this search, and in the search bar, search for logo. And from this loaded results, click on custom logo. Now you will have this interface on your left hand side. There you can either upload and import the logo from your device. If you have one on your device, you could simply go to upload and import. Then from here you have to upload images or import images as the logo that you want to add in your website. If you want to go with the custom logo from the Wix, click on custom logo. So this is the custom logo that you can add. So for this video, I will just show you how you can add custom logo, but if you already have your image, you could directly import or upload as well. So once you're here, click on this plus icon. Now the logo has been added. You can click on it and then drag it and place it wherever you like. If you want to design this logo, click on logo design, and here you can design your own custom logo. And it says a logo gives your site a business a branded and unique look. If you want to design it, click on design my logo, and you could design this logo more. So this is the way to add logo in your Wix website, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.